Hi, my friend. Today I'm going to talk about the lesson noise pollution. Ladies and gentlemen, today I'd like to talk about noise pollution. There is too much noise in our city. In some city, you can't even hear someone speaking next to you. Noise is haunting our health and hearing. We need to do something to reduce noise. We need new laws to punish companies and individuals who make too much noise. Let's go together to reduce noise and create a more peaceful environment. Thank you very much for your attention. Have a wonderful day.